Hello and welcome. You are watching WeightyRPAMatey. On Windows blogs it says, the support for Internet Explorer stops on June 15, 2022. Now, a lot of us may be happy with moving from Internet Explorer to Edge, or you may care less as you have always used other browser, but this certainly is a nightmare for Blue Prism developers. Now this is because, 1. Internet Explorer is automation friendly, and 2. We now need to migrate our automations from IE to Edge, Chrome or Firefox. And it wrecks everything when you see this. This error is intermittent and pops up for no reason when it was all working a second ago. Now this usually would mean restart your machine and start over. Now let's see how we can bid bye to this problem. Let's start with Chrome. We will first go to the three dots on the top right corner, then Settings. In this window click on Advanced drop-down and choose System. Now here, the first option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, needs to be disabled. Now close Chrome. Similarly we can do it for Edge. Again click the three dots on top right corner, then Settings, and now click System and Performance. The second option here, continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed, need to be, again, disabled. Now this is advised to disable Startup Boost as well. Now close Edge too. And voila! Extension issue. Quick takeaway though, you cannot work on Edge and Chrome simultaneously via Blue Prism for now. Hope this helps. If you like this video, be sure to hit like, and subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. Thank you and happy automating!